The metabolic path from insulin resistance to total organ collapse. Hello everyone, and welcome to this podcast by Vitagawis Ltd. Today, we are tackling the sugar trap. We aren't just talking about a bit of a sweet tooth, we're talking about a full-on systemic breakdown. When you smash too much refined sugar, you kick off a domino effect that can wreck your health for decades. 1. The starting gun. Insulin resistance. It starts with a spike. Down a 700 milliliters full sugar bubble tea. And you've just copped 60 grams of sugar way over the 25 grams daily limit. Your pancreas redlines to pump out insulin. But over time, your cells simply tune out. This is insulin resistance. Fructose is even sneakier. It bypasses your metabolic traffic control and heads straight to the liver to be stored as fat. This silent process can take 10 to 15 years before you even feel a stitch. 2. The multi-organ training wreck. Once your blood sugar stays high, it's like pouring acid through your pipes. The heart, sugar creates free radicals that scar your blood vessels, leading to hardened arteries and high blood pressure. Diabetics are up to 4 times more likely to suffer a heart attack. The filter's kidneys. High pressure blows out the tiny filters in your kidneys, causing protein to leak into your pee. Eventually, it's game over, meaning dialysis or a transplant. The wiring nerves. High sugar glues itself to proteins, rotting your nerves. You might lose feelings in your feet, leading to nasty infections or even amputations because you couldn't feel a simple blister. The window's eyes. It's a leading cause of blindness. Fragile new vessels grow in the eye but pop easily, leading to permanent vision loss or cloudy cataracts decades earlier than normal. The liver. That fructose buildup leads to fatty liver, which can scar into cirrhosis or even liver cancer. 3. The 15-year timeline. This isn't an overnight crash. It's a slow burn. 0 to 5 years. Silent metabolic glitching and fatty liver. 5 to 10 years. Pre-diabetes kicks in. 10 to 20 years. The wheels fall off. Heart attacks, kidney failure, or blindness. 4. Turning the ship around. The good news? You can reverse this if you catch it early. Axe the sugar. Ditch the soft drinks. Stick to water. Go low GI. Swap white rice for oats or brown rice to stop those sugar spikes. Getting moving. 150 minutes of huff and puff exercise a week makes your cells sensitive to insulin again. Checkups. If you're over 40, get your blood sugar tested regularly. Don't wait until the check engine light comes on. Small changes today stop the dominoes from falling. We'll see you next time.